free. Click the notification bell to make sure that you are aware of all of this lit ass content that I'm bringing to you. All of it. Oh, and I still am the hardest working man in fucking show business.
Apparently it was like one built it's just like one of those things where life had to get some else flooded. Lost all the parties. I'm not trying to feel bad for him. I feel like it should have been more crazy. She wasn't transparent. Yeah, so she's gonna make them by hand. I don't.
Just getting a little content from a YouTube channel.
There you go.
Ooh, we got suicide doors.
Let me get the junk out of the back here and put down the footrest.
And what year is this? A 30?
1930 Packard.
30? Okay.
That car is 38 years older than me. There you go. Watch out, you get ready to run into me.
It's okay. It's okay. This thing is clean, yo. This is clean. This is a nice car. I like all the little accents. I like that. That looks cool. That looks cool. This is my daughter. This is my daughter. All right, YouTube. I will be back. Okay. Tell them again.
It's a supercharged 502 with 650 horses.
Y'all see this? Now this is what you do when you take care of a car. That's beautiful.
It's all original body and frame, but everything under has been updated.
Y'all heard that. Everything under has been updated. Thank you. Okay, you got them for me? Packard. That thing is clean. Thank you for coming. Oh, they ain't hear me. If whenever you get a chance, you make sure you tell them like thank you for coming, so they don't feel like we just bullying them. Right. I don't think there's no more spots over there for the tuners. That sounds pretty good. I might have to take that exhaust. I'm gonna put that on my Versa. I'm gonna need some kind of exhaust. Y'all see that? This is 350Z. Yeah, 350Z. Thing is, it's a pretty nice car. I like that exhaust on here. Y'all let me know if I should get similar exhaust on my Versa. So what kind of exhaust this is. Yeah, I might do that. It's dual tips. Thank you for coming, sir. Thank you for coming. My name is Jay. I'm hosting the event today. And what I'm doing now, I'm recording for my YouTube channel. I have a Versa, so I'm kind of getting more into, you know, the tuners and stuff. But I like this exhaust. I'm wondering, should I put that on my car? I have a 2020 Versa. My wife is gone in it. Yep, I tinted the headlights, the tail lights, and then I put a light bar on it, and then we put like some 15s on it just for now. When you see it though, it's really the only one in the world that's like that. And we just getting started. Like, we got to put a whole bunch of other things on it to make it look cool.
Who actually won that car at the Duval?
Ooh, y'all heard that YouTube? They won that car. It sounds good. I like that exhaust.
2007.
2007? That's what year this is?
Yeah, 2007.
2007. If you don't mind, could you open the hood for me?
The hood or
Yeah.
The hood.
I still have my chairs and stuff in there. I'll have to get them out.
Is this the trunk?
Yeah.
Oh,
We can.
I didn't know this car had a trunk.
Yeah, it has a small one.
Oh, I guess the trunk is the trunk.
A lot more than we got in the bed.
Right.
Older beds.
This the V6. Is it twin turbo?
I talked to a guy that about a month ago. He's put twin turbos on his, but put out 750 horsepower.
Ooh, that's fast. That's fast. I only have 122. That ain't nothing. But I am considering, because like we don't know if we want to keep it and trade it for a 22 Rogue or Pathfinder, or if we just want to keep it and just build it. But I told her if we keep it, we're gonna find one of these motors. I think that is gonna make that car way enjoyable. Because right now it has a 1.6. And that ain't no fun.
310 horsepower.
310 YouTube. 310. Hey YouTube, I'm back for content. Now how am I gonna flip this baby girl?
Let's just.
Yeah, I might do it with my hand, huh?
If you can. Oh, be careful.
It's gonna, okay, so they need a number. This white Subaru and that yellow car need a number. And I will be getting content on those cars, y'all, coming up here shortly. As y'all probably could see, I am on the grill. And I'm already doing too many damn things. And I got another Camaro that's gonna need a number. So, I will be back when I get done. Alright, so this part of the video features a lot of copyrighted music, and I decided to just take the audio out. But as y'all can see, it's a bunch of different cars here. It's tuners, it's old schools, it's trucks, and I do want to thank everybody that came out. Big support to y'all. This part 2. Tune in for part 3 of the first, the Nissan family. Show up and show out. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Join the movement. Support the movement. All blessings, no stressings. Not just a phrase, but it's a way of life. Thank you for coming.
yes, sir.
If you don't mind, can you park on the other side with the other cars?
That was 320 miles.
320 miles? Okay. Damn, that's far. You're here. Thank you for coming. All trucks is going to be on this side. I don't see this lady. Where the hell is she at? So I can't serve the food without a damn fork or spatula. She just left and now she's just gone momentarily. Alright, so again, this part of the video has a lot of copyrighted music. I decided to take it out. Thank y'all for continuing watching. Like I said, this is part 2. Stay tuned for part 3 and maybe 4. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Join the movement, support the movement, the Blue Store, the Nissan family. Let's get it, let's go. All Blessings No Discretion podcast. Y'all see the bag there, 150. This dude came out May 29th with the weather delay. Big shout out to him. I appreciate you coming, sir. We got the dirty Ram. But hey, that's a workman's truck. Do your thing. We got the Tahoe with the 20s. I forgot what side tire, the light bar on top. And we got the man that drove over 300 miles to the show. Hopefully I can get in contact with him. He can send me some kind of information. I'm going to send him a shirt as well. Y'all see the Polaris over there, matching my shirt and my shoes. Yeah, this was a big blessing, man. Big blessing. So if they said I couldn't do it, God damn it, I did it. And I'm going to do it again. That way. All right, all my loyal subscribers. So if y'all didn't know, show up and show out. Car show, car, truck, bike, ATV, slingshot, whatever you drive. As y'all can see, we got a whole bunch of cars out here. We got everything from the Plymouth to Nomads, to Subarus, to Volkswagens, to Chryslers, to Toyotas, to Dodges. So yeah, this kind of event that I will be throwing is free. Free food, you go ahead. Free food. And a whole bunch of different other things. Shout out to my supporter Sean and Miss Carol. They made this bigger than what I did. So shout out to them. And I did tell every car that they will see their car. I did tell every owner that they will see their car featured on the channel, whether it's modded or factory. And yeah, this kind of things that I want to do to put good people, positive vibes, and cool cars together. We got motorcycles here with the Cadillacs. We got Nissans. So yeah, shout out to them, and I will be back with more footage. GTO. Oh, that is awesome. That is awesome. Trump. School here. This Plymouth Super Sport. Chrysler. Town Sebring. Mustang. It's a manual. Trump. Okay. Sebring. Y'all see he's gutted it. Blue accents. Blue rims. Blue on the lights. Blue on the grill. Another Subaru. Y'all see they put their numbers in the window. STI. Window fillers. Okay, then we got the wagon. This is automatic. It's a Forester, I believe. Camaro. Another Subaru. We got a Focus. We got a Lancer. Got these guys here. Y'all removing the top? Yeah. Oh, they just put it back on. Well, I was on the camera, and that's the reason why I asked what y'all removing it. But they just put it on YouTube. That's pretty cool. This the Honda. Miata. Yeah, I used to see these at the racetrack. I used to work at a racetrack in Alabama. I used to have a bunch of these racing around. It's a cool car. Cool car. Thank you for coming out. Appreciate it. Yeah. Put your name and your phone number. I don't have a pen, pencil. I don't even have a color pencil. Cause yeah, I'm gonna do the raffle at 5. Well, I'm gonna start the raffles at 5. But since you ain't gonna be here, if I do draw your number, I can just call you or text you, and then I can ship the items to you. I gotta go down here and finish cooking burgers.